Welcome to the American Garage. Welcome back to the American Garage. Let's take a minute to talk about battery safety. Last time on the American Garage, we were working on the car, as you recall. One of our viewers wrote in and said, Steve, how do you know which side of the battery to disconnect when you're working on your car? In the video, I had said that you disconnect the negative side of the battery. Today, I'm going to give you a little demonstration as to why you disconnect the negative side when you're working on a vehicle. I'm going to use this light fixture and a couple of test wires to simulate what it would be like if you touch different parts of the car when it's connected to the battery. Let me show you. Okay, so here we are in the car, and I've got my battery right here. And it's got the positive on this side and the negative on this side. Now, whenever we disconnect the battery, of course, like we said, we disconnect the negative. Now, the reason for that is because if we disconnect the negative, then the electricity has nowhere to go if we accidentally touch it. Now, if we disconnect the positive side, nothing's going to be operating, but it's all going to be grounded. So if you accidentally touch this, then you become the conduit by which it gets a connection, and therefore you'll get a shock. So let me show you what I mean, because this is very simple to demonstrate. I'm going to use my little test light, and I'm going to take my negative side, which is black, and I'm going to connect it to the car. Now this light is grounded, okay? So if we take this grounded light and we touch it to the negative, nothing happens. If we touch it to the positive, then the light goes on. Now, think of it this way. If the light is you, then if the positive is disconnected and you accidentally touch the positive, you can become the circuit closer, okay? So, if you disconnect the negative, then nothing is going to happen. Now remember, whenever you're working with machinery, cars, boats, planes, whatever, make sure that you keep yourself safe and make sure that you follow all the safety instructions that come with your equipment. Thanks for dropping into the American Garage.